Are you also suffering hair problem like dryness, frizzy hair, damaged hair? Just like mine, sometimes I have dull, lifeless hairs, although they are long and strong and I suffer less hair fall, but still sometimes they look so ugly, like so much. Okay, so there are few causes that leads to these problems. So causes are hair products that we use, and we do lots of styling, over brushing, heat and lack of moisture, and many more things. So in this video I'm going to do three things: hot oiling, steaming, and shampoo and conditioner. So I'm starting with oiling. For my scalp oiling, I'm taking coconut oil in a glass bowl because I'm going to lukewarm this oil in microwave. I'm going to put this in microwave for 1 minute to lukewarm it. Personally, I like to use coconut oil for my scalp because I have oily scalp. If your scalp is dull and dry, if you have super dry scalp and dandruff, then you should use that olive oil, mustard oil, I mean thick consistency oils. Coconut oil is light consistency oil. Okay guys, so my lukewarm oil is ready and I'm going to massage this in my scalp, and I'm going to do this with the help of cotton, and I'm doing it in as usual way as I always do, like taking small sections, then divide them and apply oil to each and every root and to whole scalp. Why I used only coconut oil? Because I personally like to use coconut oil. It has very light consistency and it get absorbed by scalp and root very easily, and I don't find it heavy at all. Personally, I don't like to use heavy and thick consistency oils. People with dandruff and dry scalp should use that olive oil, castor oil, and mustard oil and almond oil, these kind of oils, because these have really thick consistency and they don't get easily removed, and these are very good for dry scalp as they have much more moisture to moisturize your scalp, because dandruff mostly used to be happen because of dryness. I'm going to apply extra oil on my hair length and my tips because my tips are terribly dry, and that's why I'm going to give extra moisture to them, and you can see how dry they are, like just like broom. So yes, my castor oil is this. I'm going to apply this one, and you can buy any brand castor oil. I'm going to take some castor oil in the same bowl with the leftover coconut oil. You can say that I'm mixing coconut oil and castor oil. So I'm going to heat this in microwave, lukewarm this in microwave for 1 minute, and yes, my lukewarm castor oil is ready. After done with my hair oiling, I'm going to take hair steam. For that I need a towel. I'm going to put it under the running water to make it wet. Now I am squeezing out the excess water because I need damp towel. Now next I'm going to put this in microwave for 5 to 10 minutes to make it hot, and next I will wrap my hairs in this for 10 to 15 minutes. Hair steaming is beneficial as the heat aids in hydrating dry hairs. The steam lifts the hair cuticles along your treatments to penetrate deeply into the hair shafts, helping to heal damaged hair. However, you will not require hair steaming daily, but if you feel that hair steaming once or twice a week makes your hair look hydrated and plump, then go for it. Don't wait. Steaming strengthens your hair roots for healthy, strong hair. Steam unclog the pores and boost blood flow. Hair that does not break and won't feel dry or frizzy. Steam helps in reducing the dandruff by hydrating your scalp and get rid of dandruff. Steaming promotes hair growth and make your hairs grow back faster and much stronger. Steaming deep conditions for moist hair. Many benefits. Try it yourself and experience the benefits. Okay, so let's take a break. Once your hair cools down, then go for shampoo. And yes, I'm shooting this first time. I'm wetting my hair under the running water, and then I'm going to take my mug and my shampoo. I have been using Sunsilk shampoo since my childhood, and it's the best shampoo for me as it suits me in all way. Then I'm taking some shampoo in a mug and adding some water and mix it well, and you can see this is how I do my shampoo. Now I'm applying my shampoo and going to massage this for a minute and leave it for another 1 minute. So this is how I do my shampoo, and then I use my Dove conditioner. And sorry, I have lost my conditioning clip, but yes, I did that. Okay, so for damaged hair, if you want excellent result, then try this twice a week and for a month. After 1 month you will see amazing hair and amazing benefits. Okay, and also you will start getting the result from the first use, but yes, keep doing it, be regular with it, and you will see amazing results by the time. So don't worry, this video is requested one. So guys, you can see my hair are dry now, and yes, they're looking so manageable, frizz free, silky, soft and shiny obviously, and the tips of my hairs are looking just so amazing. Okay, so try this and let me know your results, experience, whatever it is, just share it with me, either bad or good, share it with me. This video was requested one. If you have any other request, then let me know in the comment section. I will be back soon in my next video, and till the next time, take care, bye bye, have a very nice day.